Good morning to one and all. Today I am going to explain about inheritance concept. In this inheritance concept, first what is meant by inheritance? We are extracting the data from base class to derived class. We are inherit the information from one class to another class. So, one of the most effective feature of Wolff's paradigm in establishing link connectivity between two or more classes. It permits sharing and accessing the properties from one to another class. To establish the relation, Java uses extends keywords. It is the keyword of extends. So here, mainly the categories of inheritance. First, superclass, as well as we are calling the base class or parent class. So in this method, inheritance concepts, we have a base class which belongs the properties, and second one is the intermediate class, that is the mediating of the class from base class to derived class. Third one, child class, it's having sub or association class inherited by the base class properties into the derived class. The relation between a class, base class, sub-base class and child class or parent class, accessing the properties into the intermediate class, then we are preparing the child class. So superclass, what we have in superclass is a top located class, that is the base class. In the services of provider, it is properties accessed by all its lower level. Here, what we are having the objectives, what we are having creating the properties into the base class, we are extracting to another class from the superclass. And intermediate class, it is located into the middle. It is having a dual policy. Obtain the properties of upper level class into the transmitted properties into the lower level classes. So child class, what they are having in the child class? It's a bottom located class, much benefited class, much loaded class. Properties of child class as well as a class and parent class can be accessed by only the object of child class. We are creating the objects into the child class for accessing of the base class properties or methods. What are the types of inheritances? Here, mainly single inheritance, multi-level inheritance and hierarchical inheritance, and also having one more inheritance is multiple inheritance. In multiple inheritance cannot supported into the Java, it is replaced by interfaces. So, we'll explain one by one. Single inheritance. In single inheritance, a structure having one and only one parent as well as a one child class. Only one base class is there and one derived class is there. We are extracting the information or we are extracting the data from parent class to child class. That is the single inheritance. So here have one observe the picture, have a one parent class and child class also is there. We are extracting the data from parent class into the child class. The syntax of the single inheritance: create a class name, and we are declaring the variables or methods into the base class A, and we are extracting the data into the child class, that is the derived class. Class is class B. Extends is a keyword for extracting the data from one base class to another derived class. So extend is a keyword and A is the base class. In multi-level inheritance, it is called as the level by level inheritance. It is standard structure of single inheritance having one parent and one or more intermediate and child classes, and also as well as we have parent class, so grandparent class, parent class and child class. So here the information extract the level by level. First we are creating the base class, then only we are creating the parent class. We are extracting the data from base class to intermediate class, not we extract the data into the child class directly. So we are extracting the information into the level by level. First we are creating the base class, then only extract the information into the intermediate class. After completion of intermediate class creation, we are only creating the derived class in C. So class A is the base class. Class B extends A. We are extracting the data into the class B, and followed by the class C, that is the child class. We are extracting the information into the class B. So in that class B having the information from base class information and well as class B own properties into derived into the third one, class C. That is the level by level inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance having one base class into the more than sub-derived classes, more than child classes. We are extracting the information from class A into the B, class A into the C, class A into the D. So the structure having one parent and more child classes. The child classes must be connected with only parent classes. Class A, we are extracting the information into the class B into class A. Class C, we are extracting the information from class A to class C. Class D, we are extracting the information from class A. So there is no interlink between the B to C, C to D, because this is the individual child classes. So that is the hierarchical inheritance. So in Java support a special feature called as the interfaces. It is the multiple inheritance. It is replaced by multiple inheritance. This is the inheritance concepts.